Hi everyone, so today I'll be introducing a new pair of boots that I bought recently for Black Friday. So they are these amazing Puddle Boots from Bottega Veneta. So as you guys can see, these come in this fantastic, they call it Kiwi on their official website, and it's kind of like it's like a yellowish, greenish kind of color. And I just thought that this color looked amazing. Here I've inserted a clip of me actually unboxing these amazing boots. They do come with two dust bags that are very typical for Bottega Veneta in that cream white and green dust bag color. So I saw these boots being worn a lot on Instagram through influencers, and I was definitely influenced to buy these boots. So these shoes retail for $650, which is pretty expensive for a pair of rubber boots. That's why I waited for those Black Friday deals, and I was able to save a couple hundred on these amazing boots. The design of these boots is really interesting. They are a Chelsea boot, as you guys can see from this detail here, but these thick soles really make it stand out more. And the material of these boots is rubber. So everything is rubber on the outside, and it's this pretty squishy rubber. And on the inside there is like a kind of a fabric lining, so that you're not gonna get like sweaty when you're wearing these really. And it does have like an insole in there as well. When I went to the actual store just to try them on, the sales associate did tell me that these shoes are meant for the rain since they are rain boots, and he told me that not to really wear them in the snow or ice because these don't really have much traction. So if you wear them on icy conditions, you are likely to slip. So it can get pretty dangerous. So I would advise against wearing them in like really slippery, icy conditions. So I typically wear a US size 8, which translates to European 41, I believe. But for these shoes, I actually sized down. When I went to the store to try these shoes on, I felt like it was a little, there was a little too much room when I tried on the 41s, so I did size down. And I really like the versatility of these shoes. You can really wear them with a lot of different outfits. Here I have worn them with my black turtleneck and these gray sweatpants. I think these boots really add a pop of color, so I think it goes well with more monochromatic or kind of like black, whites, grays, creams, those kinds of colors. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comments. Thumbs up if you liked, and subscribe for more videos.